and this is None the Wiser, and if you've never watched me before, I do a couple things on this channel. I talk about tools, I do tool reviews, I make repairs, I do a lot of really cool projects, I talk about education and all that stuff, and today we're talking about the Ryobi Speed Bench. Now, it's kind of like a dolly, it's kind of like a workbench, you can do a lot of stuff here, and Ryobi came up with it not too long ago. And one of the things that I would really like to do is show people how cool this thing is, but I have not tested it out. So we're going to put it together today. We're going to talk about some of the really cool stuff about it too as we go along, but it's an all steel frame. It is link compatible. So if you do have any of the toolboxes or link stuff, you're going to be able to attach it. I think you can haul up to 400 pounds or more. It's got some 10-inch wheels. It's just really convenient, and it folds up when you're not using it, so it's not all over the place. Now, when you open it up, it's kind of just a big box full of stuff. So I'm going to pull everything out. We're going to lay it out on the floor. I'm going to put it together. We're going to put it to the test, and maybe it's right for you.
Upside to feeling down when I took a good look around. There's stuff to be learned, body to be turned, it seems. Yes, there is. You got to pay your dues before it's all cookies and cream. Some people want the dinner cooked and served, and somehow that is what they deserve. Narcissists with a runaway self-esteem. But let me tell you, you got to pay your dues before it's all cookies and cream.
Alright, so here it is. It was easy to assemble. Now, how I get this to go back to a, I guess, dolly mode is I'm going to press this, pull up just like that, and it's locked. We're good to go. You saw me retract it, but how do you deploy it? Hand up here, push the lever in, and you just kind of pick up and lay it down, and that's it. You've got your table, you have a flat working space. So let's just take a quick look at the top. You can see right here, this is no drilling. That's because that's where the frame is through here. You have your angles from 90 all the way to 15 degrees. You can see your 45 through here. And then you have your SAE measurements over here, and then you have your metric measurements on this side, and then you can see it go straight through here. You have your link over here, but this is a pretty good working top. This is a manufactured working top with solid wood as well, and it is coated. Now, mine got a few little scratches during shipment, but it is not light. Let me just tell you, it's not light. And the FedEx guy, when he delivered it, he warned me. He said, hey, this is pretty heavy. I don't think it was crazy, but be careful when you do lift this. But you can put a bunch of tools over here. It just seems like a nice working area. All right, so let's talk about some of the practical aspects, and this is something I would 100% use this workbench for. This is a miter saw. Obviously, it's battery powered, but you can drill straight through the top and you can anchor this on, keep your holes there, and you should be able to take this on and off depending on what you want to use this for. It's a great workbench. It's pretty dang solid as well because of the thick steel that you're using on it. Now, one of the other things I thought would be a great idea, and I'm probably going to do this as well, it's going to be hard to see this, but this is a dog clamp, if you will. So it's adjustable. It sits down in a hole in a table, and if you've done any type of woodworking, you know a woodworking table usually has dog holes in it. You stick that down in there, it grips, you tighten this down, and it holds whatever you want on the table very easily. So I may throw some dog holes in here. I'm definitely going to use it for this particular miter saw. I have my 10-inch already on a mobile stand already, but this is the smaller one, and I love this one because it just does everything I want it to do, and on this table it's going to be perfect. Put some dog holes in here, and oh my goodness, I think this table is going to be a winner. And then plus, you can haul your duffel bags, you can haul materials, your flooring, your concrete, your wood with this as a dolly as well. All I've got to say is I think we got a winner. Now let's talk about price. It's usually right around $200, but right now it's on sale for $179. And the best way for you to check this out is go down into the description, go ahead, hit the link, and you can check this out for yourself at thehomedepot.com. My name is Brent. This has been None the Wiser. I hope that you're a little bit wiser. And you go check out this Speed Workbench because I'm telling you, it's a pretty trick. And I think it's going to help you out around your house or moving or anything you really got to do. It's pretty heavy duty. Take care, everybody. I can't wait to see you in the next video.
Where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry Mr.